My name is Eve. I was 21 years old. My friends took me to this party that I never wanted to go to. I was quiet. I liked staying home with books. I worked at a coffee shop. My life was simple and safe. My friends, Rachel and Mia, loved parties. That Friday, they begged me to go to Club Venom. Just one night, Eve, please. I said yes. We arrived at 11 p.m. The music was loud, lights flashing, people dancing everywhere. We danced together. I was actually having fun. Then Mia went to get drinks. A guy asked Rachel to dance. She looked at me. Go ahead, I said. I stayed on the dance floor alone. Someone tapped my shoulder. A man, dark hair, nice suit, normal looking. Hi, I am Jason. Want to dance? I said okay. We danced. He was polite. He asked about my life, my studies. He seemed safe. Then he said, "It's too loud. Want to step outside? Just to talk." I hesitated. "There's security outside. It's safe," he smiled. The club was so hot. The music hurt my ears. Okay, just for a minute. Outside, people were smoking and talking. Security guards stood by the door. We talked near the corner. He seemed nice. My car is just over there. I have water if you're thirsty. I looked at my phone. 10% battery. I was thirsty. Okay, just for a second. We walked toward the parking lot. His car was far from the entrance, away from lights, away from people. Cold feeling in my chest. Something was wrong. Actually, I should go back. Jason stopped. He turned to me. His smile was gone. "We're already here." His voice was different now. "I need to go." My voice shook. He grabbed my wrist. "Don't be rude." I tried to pull away. "Let go." "Get in the car." "No." He squeezed harder. It hurt. I said, "Get in." I screamed. The music was too loud. No one heard. He dragged me. I kicked. I scratched his face. He pushed me into the back seat, got in, locked the doors. Please let me go." He stared at me with empty eyes. I couldn't open the door from inside. He reached toward me. I screamed. I punched him. He grabbed my throat. "Stop fighting." I couldn't breathe. My vision blurred. Then, voices. "Hey, what are you doing?" Jason let go. 2 security guards ran toward us. He cursed, opened the door, and ran. The guards chased him. One stayed with me. "Are you okay?" he asked. I couldn't speak. I just cried. Rachel and Mia ran over. "Eve! Oh my God!" They called the police. The police caught him 2 blocks away. His real name was Derek. He had done this before. 6 other women had been attacked. 2 were never found. It has been 8 months. I don't go out anymore. I don't trust anyone. I can't sleep. I left university. I couldn't focus. Every time I close my eyes, I see his face. Rachel and Mia visit every week. We are so sorry. We should have stayed with you, they say. I don't blame them. I blame myself. Why did I follow him? Why didn't I listen to that feeling? My therapist says it is not my fault. Predators seem safe. They seem normal. But I still feel guilty. The trial is next month. I have to see him again. I have to testify. I am terrified, but I have to do it. For the women he hurt, for the ones he would have hurt. That night at the club, I learned that danger often hides behind a friendly smile, and trusting your instincts can save your life.